Austin Mayfield here. I hope you're doing great today. All in one course, okay? Marketing, follow-up, closing, and e-commerce. I'll teach you everything you need to know in this course. It's the Crush It Online course that I put together about a 2 hours worth of video content, and I'll give you some support after you take it. If you got any questions, it's all very easy to follow. $495 value. I'm doing a giveaway. Okay, so if you're new to the whole making money online thing, want to know more or how to do it without wasting $2,000 or $1,000 on a course, or even more than that, if you don't purchase a course to gain knowledge, get ahead of the crowd, and just jump to the front of the line as far as knowledge goes and making money online today. All that has gone into this course, and everything that I've learned. It's cost me thousands and thousands of dollars to learn this stuff because I was not one of the people that was smart enough to purchase a course like this, or I just didn't. I was always the figure it out on my own type of guy, and I'm not that way now. And I want to pass this knowledge on to you for an incredible value. You can leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'm going to pick someone at the end of the week to give the course to for free. If you're interested in purchasing the course today, I've got a link in the description below. Just simply click that link. It'll take you to the page on No Limit Products. For those of you who do not know me, I'm Austin Mayfield. I founded No Limit Products. It's a online marketplace where vendors pay a monthly fee to sell their products. I can teach you how to do the same thing. So check it out. Let me know of any questions or comments in the comment section below, positive or negative. Austin Mayfield, have a great day.